Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Frugalisama. My name's Sam. This is where I talk about all things sewing. Today I've got another prize reveal for Sew Frugal 22, which is a challenge run by myself and Rowan over on Instagram during the month of March, whereby we're asking you to make a garment for yourself or for someone else using a free pattern and using fabric from your stash. And the reveal date is on the 31st of March. So we've got over 70 vloggers coming to give you inspiration for different free patterns that are available on the internet. And today's vloggers are Anna, You've Got Me in Stitches, and Carmen from Carmen Salome. So if you haven't seen either of their channels before, they are linked in the playlist, which is down below. And Carmen's just brought out a really good video showing you how to clean up your sewing machine. So have a look at that one. So today's prize reveal is something a little bit different and very exciting. This is a new soon to be launched product by someone in the sewing community. And I'm not at liberty to say who it is. And I can't give you too many details about it. But what I can say is it's got sustainability at the heart of the product. They are called pattern pouches, so that probably gives you a little bit of an idea as to what they are. The pouches are little bags and they're made from recycled or upcycled or thrifted fabric, and inside of each will be something of the customer's choice plus a couple of surprises. And who doesn't love a surprise? So it comes in eco-friendly packaging using thrifted fabrics plus another thrifted item. Get the chance to upcycle something and reuse something. And I think it'll be a lovely surprise for the recipient. I think it's going to be a really lovely business idea for this person, and I wish them all the luck in the world with it. So that's it about the price today. I thought I'd just briefly tell you about what I'm wearing, and this is the Chelsea Raglan from fabricstore.com free pattern. Mandy's wearing the one that I had on yesterday, and it's the same pattern. So this is just a very simple basic raglan tee pattern with turned over cuffs, bias bound at the neckline, just an easy fitting pattern, and I'll put the sizes down below for you because I've forgotten to write them down. And I've got a little tutorial showing you how to do the bias binding around the neckline. Really easy to wear, and it uses virtually no fabric at all. I've sewn this up 3 or 4 times now, just using up bits of fabric that I've got left over from other projects, so it's a great scrap buster as well, depending on what size you do, obviously. I've seen quite a few people mentioning the fabric store, but I don't think anybody's mentioned this raglan t-shirt. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already and you like this sort of video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, that will tell you when I've got new videos out. I'm coming out daily with prize reveals during March, but normally it will be once a week. I shall speak to you tomorrow with another prize reveal. Bye!